Hello everyone! Today we're watching the most insane boat and ship collisions ever caught on camera. They drove like, don't worry, it's not my boat anyway. Get ready. This is going to be wild. Let's begin. Sailing crash incoming. These two yachts said, bro, move, no, you move, and boom, instant friendship. RC-44 race moment when everyone forgot the brakes existed on water. Even the Chinese Navy said, let's try a teamwork experiment, and crashed into their own Coast Guard. Boat lost control in Marina del Rey. The captain said, I tried everything except actually stopping.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Mom! Ain't no way. Hostia. A tomar por culo, chaval. Joder.
Ship versus crane. Crane said, come here, handsome. And the ship said, okay, babe. Bam. Container ship dropped 7 containers in the Indian Ocean. Sea said free delivery today, no return policy. Boat engine explosion. Never use mosquito spray as starting fluid, unless you like unexpected swimming lessons.
What happened?
Mechanical lift boat moment. This boat was like, I believe I can fly. Drag boat crash. Parachute said, let's go left. Boat said no. Chaos happened. Russian ship on the beach. Bro drove like GPS said, swim across 200 meters. Columbia riverboat crash. Someone played real-life bumper boats. Storm Yelenia wave-smashing ferry window. That wave said, open the door, I'm coming inside. Cruise liner hit a bridge in China. Chimney said, "I'm too tall for this world." Tugboat capsized. Even the ocean said, "Today is chaos day." J-class yacht collision, millions of dollars disappearing in 4 seconds. Mexican Navy drills. I think they were practicing how not to do it. $70 containers fell off the ship. Black Friday discount dropped early. Emerald Harbor boat explosion. That refuel really said boom boom. Sailor launched off a catamaran. Man turned into Superman for 2 seconds. Man rescued in open sea. U.S. Coast Guard always the final hero. RV crash on Quebec ferry. Someone misjudged parking level 2000. Dock fail. Classic slow down bro moment ignored. Venice cruise ship collision. That thing drives like a giant shopping cart. Ship sailing in bad weather. Ocean trying to shake like a washing machine. Container ship dock hit. Captain blinked once, too long.
Stop the lead. Kill.
Fishing boat rescue. Wave said hold on tight or goodbye. Yacht Go crashed twice. Maybe it should be named Stop. Pilot boarding fail. Ladder said no today. jet boat crash, that parachute had a personal vendetta.
Canım gitti ya. Ah. Eyvah eyvah.
Boat explosion after refueling, gasoline said we going fireworks mode. Boat falling off crane, gravity once again proving undefeated champion. Powerboat hit USS Midway. Museum wasn't expecting a drive-through. Two cargo ships collided, captains playing Titanic roleplay. "10-meter yacht capsized while launching. Brand new boat delivered directly upside down."